Hi, how are we doing today? This is Gaëtan. Bonjour, je suis Gaëtan. Ça me fait plaisir de vous accueillir. Comment allons-nous? On va très bien, merci. Alors aujourd'hui, on fait une salade. Et c'est une salade verte, un complément à nos repas. Parce qu'on est toujours dans la série Grill Fare, saison 2 du chef Gaëtan. Alors aujourd'hui, on fait une salade verte. Et je vais composer ma salade par étage, par niveau. So I'm doing a green salad. And today I'm going to build my salad by layers. Layers 1, layers 2, layers 3. At the end, we will have the seasoning. So, here's my salad bowl. And I will start by lettuce. This is a Hart of Romain lettuce. And I'll put just enough to cover the bottom of the salad. The next green leaf I want to put in the salad, it's spinach. So the spinach come with these are baby spinach. They're a little bit smaller than the regular spinach. I would say the flavor is more tender. So ce sont des épinards, et en anglais ils appellent ça des baby spinach, des épinards benjamin. Alors je fais un cigare avec les feuilles d'épinards que je roule. So I make a kind of a cigar with the spinach leaves that I roll and I cut. And there's a term for that. It's called chiffonade. Yes, it's a French term. Alors ça crée la chiffonade à partir de feuilles d'épinards. Je sais pas si on peut appeler ça de l'épinard printanier. Baby spinach en anglais. Si vous avez un terme français qui correspond à baby spinach, ne vous gênez pas. Écrivez un commentaire et faites-moi parvenir votre commentaire, ça va m'aider à partager votre connaissance avec les gens qui sont intéressés à connaître plus. This is my second cigar and I trimmed it like that. So it's a simple salad. Let's see if we have enough. That's good. J'ai ici du radiaco. C'est c'est quelque chose entre le chou et la laitue. This is radiaco, and it's a kind of a red lettuce / cabbage. It's tender enough to be used in a salad as is, but it also can be used for other dish and can be cooked also. So radiaco has like a little bit of a tart flavor. It's a good complement. This is an endive. For the French people, French-speaking people, European, it's very common. But for the American, in North America, not everybody knows what endive is. So it's a vegetable, and we have the core of a broader, bigger vegetable. And it's a little bit tart, flavor-wise, but it's delicious. My friend Daniel, who introduced me to the endive, he used to steam them before putting them in the salad. I'm going to use them as is, and I'm just going to cut the bottom of it and then slice in diagonal like this. You need very little endive to have the flavor in the salad. To top that, I have mushroom. These are baby Portobello mushrooms. Ce sont les champignons bruns Portobello qui ne sont pas à maturité. Alors ce sont de jeunes Portobello. Et j'en fais un autre étage dans ma salade. Je vais compléter avec des olives. Vous avez Kalamata, olives, Kalamata olives, green onion, des échalotes. And that will complete all the ingredients I need to put in the salad. Now, salad need seasoning, right? I will prepare for you. We need to have a salad dressing. You can buy salad dressing at the store, but I wonder why. La recette pour la vinaigrette, c'est une recette de base. C'est une formule simple. Un quart, une demi. C'est simple. Les ingrédients de base. Si on met, pour les mesures américaines, un quart de tasse de vinaigre de vin, on va mettre un quart de tasse d'eau et on va mettre une demi-tasse d'huile d'olive. So the recipe is I'm proposing for a salad dressing is a basic recipe that basically cannot fail. So the base of the recipe is 1/4, 1/4, and 1/2. Let's say we have cups that we want to use. A cup, so the recipe would be 1/4 of a cup of red wine vinegar. So I have a measuring cup here, and my 1/4 cup is right here. So I'm going for 1/4 of a cup, like that. Then I said 1/4. The next 1/4 will be water. 1/4 of a cup of water. Okay, and the last will be half, and then I will put 1/2 cup of olive oil. Oops, that's about right. So now there's no seasoning. It's very simple, only olive oil, vinegar, and now we decide what flavor we want. I hope I'm still in the camera. Hi! So we want to season this with our favorite flavor. You can go very basic, salt and pepper. You can go with fine herbs. Vous pouvez mettre sel et poivre, vous pouvez mettre des herbes fines, estragon, oregano, basilic. We can put basil, oregano, thyme, sage, just to our taste. Today what I propose is to do honey mustard salad dressing. Honey, organic, biologique, du miel, et de la moutarde de Dijon. So we put about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and we put about a large teaspoon, like almost a tablespoon of honey. And I believe we're in good shape. So now I'm using a hand blender, and I will mix the whole thing together. And you have your mustard, honey mustard salad dressing. To do that, it took less than 2 minutes, and to do that it costs less than $1. If you want to buy Dijon mustard salad dressing in a beautiful jar with a beautiful label, si vous voulez acheter la vinaigrette de Dijon au miel dans un beau vase avec une belle étiquette, alors ça va vous coûter quelques euros, 3 ou 4. If you buy that in a jar at the store is between $3 and $5. You just did it for less than $1 in 2 minutes. So you can use the base of the recipe like 1/4 vinegar or acid, can be lemon juice, 1/4 water, and 1/2 oil. I use olive oil. J'utilise l'huile d'olive dans ce cas-ci. C'est ma recommandation. Alors, c'est la base de n'importe quelle vinaigrette. This is the base for any salad dressing. Then you season it to your taste. Salt, pepper, herbs, as you like it. So this is my seasoning for the salad. I'll mix. And I have enough. One word about salad dressing. It smells so good, you have no idea how good it smells. So when you have a salad dressing, do not burn your salad with your salad dressing. Si vous avez la vinaigrette ne doit pas noyer la salade. Ne doit pas brûler la salade, les ingrédients de la salade. So many times you go to a restaurant, they serve you ask for a salad, and they serve you a salad with the dressing, salad dressing in the salad, already there. It's normal, but what is not normal is when you have salad dressing floating in your plate, and when you take a bite, it's so acid, there's so much vinegar from the salad dressing that you burn yourself. This is not good. You need to have just enough to enhance the flavor of the vegetable. La vinaigrette est là pour rehausser la saveur des légumes qui sont dans votre salade. Elle n'est pas là pour les détruire. Alors soyez prudent quand vous faites la vinaigrette. N'en mettez pas plus qu'il faut. Moins, c'est bon, on y goûte, et on en rajoute si nécessaire. Put less in your salad, taste it, and then if it's not enough, you can add a little bit. If you put too much, forget about it. Your salad is gone. You burn it, and it's very, very unpleasant. So thank you for watching. Merci pour votre attention. Merci pour votre intérêt. Merci pour vous abonner au canal Chef Gaetan. Thank you for subscribe to Chef Gaetan channel on YouTube. Tell your friend, share the video with your friend. Tell everybody, send me your comment. Thumbs up if you can, if you like it, why not? Thank you for your attention. We'll see you very soon.